I'll be showing you how to clear cache and cookies in Safari. So this is very easy to do. The first thing you want to do is to go over to click on Safari on the top of your screen and go over to settings. Once you are on the settings, you can toggle between the different options here. We need to go over to privacy and then click on manage website data. And here you can see all of the websites that have stored your cookies, your cache, and your browsing data. So you can either remove all of them at once or remove the cache and cookies for specific websites. So for example, I'm going to click on this website and just click remove, and automatically that will be deleted. Or you can just hold Control A and remove everything at once. So it's important to know that if you delete all of your cache and cookies, you might need to log back into those websites and access might be a little bit slower. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for fire updates on everything tech.